Hey everyone, it's Victoria, also known as It's Lipstick Vic on Instagram. Welcome back to my channel. This isn't exactly the filming setup that the whole video is. I just wanted to get on here and say I didn't really like the way the camera was positioned for the intro and the outro, so I'm in here just telling you this is a tutorial on this look right here. Obviously this is several hours later when I'm going to edit the video, so I don't have the lip on and all that jazz, but you will see it. If you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep watching. First thing I'm going to go into is actually this eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. It is the Zulu palette. This is definitely one of my go-to palettes for colorful looks. It has some beautiful, vibrant matte shades in here. We're going to be using these brown, orange, and yellow. Go ahead and go in to the brown, and I'm going to start putting that tightly here in the crease. Look at that pigment. Look at it. My coffee maker turning off automatically. I'm either going to do a normal cut crease because I give up or I'm kind of trying to do a funky cut crease, but we'll see. You know, here's hoping. Here is hoping. Me too, but I'm just gonna go lightly right above where I put that brown and blend those colors together. Beautiful. Then blend freaking beautifully. These bristles are a little bit more stiff than this Luxie brush, so I want to kind of utilize that to make that blend even better. And now I'm going to go back in with some brown and just re-intensify it. Make sure that that brown is that bitch, you know. Make sure I'm emphasizing the shape I want. I've been using the mirror on this palette. This is the Emily Edit The Needs. It has a beautiful giant mirror, and it has all these really nice basic eye colors and then face products. I'm actually just going to go in with this dark brown shade. It's a little bit cooler than the one we've been working with, but at the same time it's a little bit deeper, and that's what I want from it. I want to use just a little bit of depth with this and try to just place it here, right? Not over the brown completely, but on the lower part. Going back in with the brown from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just gonna blend those browns together the best I can, baby. That looks good. The really nerve-wracking part, I'm gonna be working on cutting the crease. I am so nervous. I always use Tarte Shape Tape, so what I always do is just get some of that on the back of my hand. Do it. Let's do it. Saturated in concealer, but not over goopy. So that's why I like to get a good amount on the back of my hand to just kind of manipulate it as much as I want to. So I'm going to start with one here. I don't know if I'm doing this an easy way or a hard way. I literally have not seen a tutorial on it. I am just kind of going off of what I picture. So now I'm going to go through and just connect those kind of in a squiggly fashion with a detailer brush. products and see if I want to adjust it or anything. I mean, it looks pretty good. That's kind of what I was picturing, although they're not as, like, uniform as I thought they would be. But honestly, I'm kind of into this. Let me kind of fix this. This is by a brand called Pinkyrose Cosmetics. I found out about them through Instagram. They were selling this palette, and I said I need it in my friggin' life. So this is the Bright Lights palette. And so a shade has fallen out of here, but I would not blame the company for that. But I'm going to use the shade right under there, which is called Glitz. It's like this frosty blue. Get the product on the brush, and then I'm going to spritz it. And I think I might have just spritzed the camera, if I'm honest. So I'm going to just try to wipe it off the best I can. That doesn't fuck anything up. So I'm gonna just go in with that wet. I'm also gonna go in with my finger just on the bulk of my lid a little, because I think, yup, that looks like a million times better than the brush. Sometimes your fingers just work better. That's what she said, but I don't know. I just thought this would be a lot more, come through a lot more turquoise, but it is pretty icy at its base, so that I definitely want to work in a little bit of a darker blue here. I'm going to stay working with this palette and go in with Boom. Okay. Yeah, these eyeshadows might have been a bad choice to work with on such a precise look. They're flaky as fuck. Now, I think I'm gonna go in actually with a little bit of this purple color in the Zulu palette, because I can't deal. And I think that matte shade looks a lot more intentional than the fucking blue shimmer shade did. One thing I'm gonna do right now is add some glitter around the little doots, and I'm gonna use that by just using some lash glue precisely along the edge, and then just stamp on this holographic glitter. And this is by NYX Cosmetics. This is a duo lash glue. I got this trick from Ada Burgos, and she got it from someone else to precisely apply glitter. Alright, I'm done. I think that looks pretty fucking cool. Not gonna lie, I think the only struggle with this is that I lost patience. By the time I moved from this eye to this eye, I was like over it. So I might, you know, it could be more precise, I think, on this side. Alright guys, that is all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed putting the look together with me and liked the look overall. I'm really happy with it, like I've already said a bunch of times. But if you guys were fans of it, definitely give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I definitely want to be putting more out to get back on the YouTube game, so I'd love to have you join me here on YouTube. So thank you guys very much, and I will see you again. Bye-bye!